guys, subscribe my channel, hit the bell button so then you can get all of my videos. Thank you. I hope you like my video. Hey guys, so we're here at Queen Elizabeth Park and I'm going to show you beautiful birds and beautiful rats. Are you guys excited? Come on, let's go. Let's wait for my dad. Me too. When I'll be in that big circle, look there. Can you see that with the most big circle? That is where we're going inside, and then we can see the birds and the beautiful plants. Come on, guys, we're almost there. Guys, run.
Yeah, that's good.
Guys, look. Isn't this nice? Oh, guys, my dad's leaving. Let's go. Guys, you're gonna love the birds. They're like different kind of like colors, like black and pink and so many colors. Come on, guys! My dad's leaving. Come on, guys! We're almost there. Guys, can you see that big giant circle? That is where the birds are. Let's go and see the birds. You guys are just gonna love the birds. Like seriously, let's go inside. Guys, can you see that line up? That's where we're going. So, thanks for coming. So guys, we're in the line and the girls are explaining us the things which we have to do inside. No eating, no drinking only water, and make sure you don't touch the birds. Come on. Come on, guys, I'm going inside. Sun is going in my eyes. So, guys, I got this bird paper, and I'm gonna find the birds in here, and then I'm gonna do a check mark. Come on, let's find them. Birds die. Guys, look, I found a wishing bell. And look, I got a coin and then I'm going to throw it in the water. I don't want to throw this coin, but I have to. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Can you do it?
Yeah, welcome to the bird site.
Good.
I went to a Barbie camper and my teacher fell off. Guys, my coin is in the water. And this is a freaking well. I mean the wishing well. Guys, I found one bird in this rainbow. Let me see which one it is. It's this one, guys. It's right there. And then it's too tall. So let's do a check mark. Guys, so in this garden are beautiful birds. And the beautiful plants. And behind me there's a beautiful waterfall. There's so many waterfalls here. Let's go find some birds. We need to find one, and it's this one. And I did a check mark. I can hear the voice of the bird. Let's go and find them. Beautiful plants and they have names. And this is the bird's home. Even they used to hide behind these bushes and stuff. Guys, look, I found more birds. It's brown. So let's find this on my list. It's red and then we have Oh, I found this is this one. Now let's check mark it. Guys, I want to show you the baby crow's nest. These ones. They're right up there. Guys, last time when I came here, I saw bananas. Like right up there somewhere. Guys, I found the bananas. They're round right now. Oh, look, I found one green one. Guys, I really want to find this pink one and blue one. Guys, look, we found these rainbow birds and their names are cows. And this is the first one we see here. Yeah. Talk to me, Mister. Hello, Mister. Mister, are you listening to me? You're not a pussy to talk. Mister, I can get to crack. Let's go find another one. Guys, we found a blue cow. First we saw a red cow, and now we saw a blue one. Let's see where's the blue one. It's blue and yellow. It's this one. I found a tiny little waterfall, and I can't touch it. Ooh. Let's touch the hole. I can put that blue one just talked. Come on, let's find another one. Guys, look, these are jellyfish. Guys, look, I found another pair. Come on. Green ones. The green ones.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Guys, look at these green ones. Now, let's find these green ones. They have a yellow leaf. I think they're these ones. Yeah, they are. Daddy, are they these ones?
Yeah.
So guys, look, I found another one right there. So let's find which one it is. I think my dad's gonna help me. Daddy, can you try to find? Okay, guys, it's this one. I found this one, and his name is Kramer. Guys, that bird is whistling at He's whistling right now. Did you hear that, guys? Guys, look at this pink little plant. Guys, look at that one. It has a yellow crown. And I will do check mark it. And his name is Callie.
What's his name?
Callie. Now. Guys, it's beautiful and relaxing here. Guys, I think I found another bird. Kung panda! Let's... They're rainbow clothes and they're like black and... Oh, look at that white one! My favorite bird! My favorite bird! I saw this and I saw this one. Look. And I think I know where it is. It's this one. Hello. And what's her name? The rainbow name is Ruby, and she's my favorite. Let's check her. Guys, I'm gonna count how many birds I found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8. I found 8. I thought there were 10. Oh yeah, I found 8. Guys, look, I'm stuck. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you a fish pond. Guys, look, I found the pepper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's so many feathers. Now I'm gonna go. Look, guys, I found a fish pond. And look, I can see one orange fish in there. Let's see if I can find another one. This is a bridge made of bamboo. Look, another one there. Come. Look, I found 2. I told you there was fish here. I think there's just 3 here. Come on, Guys! There's one there. Another one. The big one. The big fish here. Guys, now I can tell you about plants. So in this dog, there are no native plants. Native means that they belong to Canada. Guys, the birds and the plants are from the different part of the world. Guys, I found 2 birds and they're hiding behind the trees. And I clicked talking about them. My daddy can help me. Daddy, which one would we find?
This one right here.
I knew there was this one.
Alia wants to see them as well. Alia, look at that. Hey, look at that. Look over there. Over there.
Guys, I checked market. Now, did you see the baby? Did you go handy thing? What we don't like to guys. Come on, let's go and find them. Guys, can you see a small hole over there? They throw fresh air inside the door for the bird. This is water. They're like sprinklers. Guys, can I get an ice cream? Guys, I got my ice cream. Now I'm going to show you gardens and beautiful plants. Let's go. Sway. Guys, can you see the beautiful mountains and the building? They're red. They're made of concrete. beautiful garden and beautiful flowers and beautiful trees. And then there's sun over there. Guys, look down there, the beautiful garden and beautiful trees. And there's one bridge over there. Did you like that, guys? It's so beautiful. They're like sunflowers and they're like pink. Let's go back up.
There's so much to see here, but I'm doing nothing.
Guys, I'm just pretending. I'm just pretending to be a real statue. Whoa, look where I am. Whoa. Bye guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you like it. Subscribe, hit the bell, and share with your friends. Bye.